Okay, so how much time will it take to do the walk around on the 747?
Just to walk around, about 10-15 minutes.
Okay, let's make a test. Oh, and by the way, usually we supposed to have a APU, right?
Yes.
What do we have here? Nothing.
Heading 135, runway 23, clear for takeoff.
Hello. Today you could have seen the low altitude go round, how we fly through the flock of birds, but you won't because you didn't film it. Also want to thank you guys because you let me know who that dude from the 747 was. It's the most interesting man in the world. His name is Jonathan Goldsmith. So thank you, and I hope you like this episode. If you like it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Otherwise the robot is coming over to you.
Oh yeah?
I'm recording it for the video before that video.
Before that video.
Okay, so how much time will it take to do the walk around on the 747?
Just to walk around, about 10-15 minutes.
Okay, let's make a test. Okay, so I started. Let's see. Let's go. You are the engineer. A lot of tires.
Normally we went with 2 or 3 guys. One did the engine oil and stuff like that, the other one did the tires and the struts, and the other one did the walk around and went upstairs.
Normally that's the baggage compartment in the passenger version, right?
Yes.
And in the cargo version, they can also use it, right?
Yep. There's a cargo in there, you got a passenger.
And it took 10 minutes without the tire pressure checks, and I don't know what else, like everything else.
Everything else. Yeah.
Okay.
Refueling takes a couple of hours.
Really? Okay, let's see how our plane looks like.
Smaller.
Well, and I will count how much time does it take.
Okay.
see how much time will it take to do the walk around in Lear. You can imagine how much birds are flying right now. We almost have a bird strike almost every day.
Almost is good.
Almost, right. Oh, and by the way, usually we supposed to have a APU, right?
Yeah.
What do we have here? Nothing. No APU. Robert,
Yes.
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Yeah, it's a little bit smaller and less 60. But also a little bit faster.
135, runway 23, clear for takeoff.
Have you read the news about the old woman in China throwing the coins into the Airbus engine?
I've heard it, but I'm not sure what happened. So
Yeah, so she was waiting for the boarding and she threw some coins into the engine for the luck.
good luck.
Yeah, for the good luck. So the flight was delayed about 3 hours because engineers had to take all the coins and to check everything. Well, basically, what I understand is that well, she was not able to throw them like pretty deep into the engine, right? So they were somewhere behind the fan probably. So that's why they were able.
Still
yeah,
not funny.
yeah.